Good morning, Internet. Today is February 11th, 2025, Mount Lavania Beach. Peaceful morning. Today is a work day. Tomorrow is a Poya day, full moon, so it's a holiday. But nobody's at the beach. No, I think I might have come to the beach later. Too late. Beautiful, beautiful morning. A group of people in the ocean and a lonely dog waiting for his master to come back. This is called the Golden Mile at Mount Lavania Beach. Love it. You can see in the foreground, you can see the city of Colombo, the high-rise buildings. So it's Mount Lavania, Dehiwala, Vellavata, Bamlapitiya, Kalpiti, and Colombo. That's how the beach goes.